Hello, how are you doing? In this video, I'm going to be showing you the process and the walkthrough of my portfolio website. It took me about 3 days to make this website from design to development, and I thought, why not just share what I learned from this process, from the design decisions to development bugs and all. Yeah, let's get into it. So firstly, I guess we might just start with the portfolio and show you how it looks like. This is it. I used GSAP to trigger this on page load. I was thinking of doing some interactions like more cool stuff before the page, like my picture shows and everything. But then I was feeling lazy, so I decided to just keep it simple. And then like this one over here is just like a couple of my past work showing over here. I used DaVinci Resolve to just like copy images together. Like I designed it in Figma, then put it export as images, put in DaVinci Resolve, and just shorten it like 0.5 seconds per image, and exported it, then turned it to a GIF with a software online GIF stuff. And yeah, that's even true. That took me a while to figure out what software to use, and I can't remember the software anymore again. But yeah, it was not SGIF, it was a different software online. It was free as well, and it compressed the video quite well to a GIF. Anyways, moving on, I saw this section, this cool look for way to present your project, you know. So selected works, and this is here like scrolling. So I decided to use that, and one thing is that if you can play it as a video to see which project I worked on, and you can also, like, that's a cool project right there. And also you can just click on this and to take you to the website, and you can also check it out yourself. So yeah, these are things I project I worked on myself. I designed it, developed it. I was trying to showcase my work and hopefully to potential clients, studios, agencies, and even get a job, you know. I need money. Moving on. Ways I can help. I feel like this section could be better though. Like I wanted to try a sticky effect I saw on someone's website, but I couldn't replicate it perfectly. Like this is not neat. You know what I mean? Unless something like this, but yeah, this is what I can help. This is like I can do more than this, but just to specify on web design alone, this is why I put that there. I spoke to a lot of people, my mentor and some other designers about like what to put on my portfolio, and yeah, they gave me some advice, and that's why I added this there. Now testimonials, I just added like 2 testimonials. Of course, I have more than this, and there are people I can reach out to get more testimonials, but I just like not to give overwhelming. Like this had one of my 2 favorite testimonials, and I thought let's keep it at that. Yeah. And so this is this here. So let me show you some things about the website. So this copies it. So how did I get this thing to work here? Of course, you can use JavaScript and code this manually, or you can use FinSuite. FinSuite is a Webflow FinSuite attributes. So FinSuite has an attribute that can allow you to copy things for Webflow. Not only Webflow, you can work on any site. It's just that I'm using Webflow, so it works on it. So let's see. If you search and say copy to clipboard. So what this allows you to do is that you go to the website, you put the script tag, you put the attribute on the elements. Basically, if you know about this stuff, it's quite easy to grasp and understand. I think that's honestly just check things out. They're pretty cool. So what again on my website I want to show you. Yeah, there's small interactions for my stuff. One other thing that took me a lot of time to figure out was this nav menu here. So if you notice on my website, I have 2 nav bars. One is this one over here that is at the top, that's like a part of the website, and this one is the second one, is called a custom nav, and they design them separately. For example, now you can't scroll while this is on. You can't scroll, but once you close it, you can scroll again. And that's one thing. Secondly, if you take it anywhere, like you can copy. If you click anything, it's going to close the website. But also, if you click on works, it's going to take you to works. I don't like how it closes though. I wish I can figure out the way to like close it first before it now moves. But right now it works okay, so I'm not complaining. And if you scroll, it shows up. You see, like here. And for the smooth scroll, I use Lenis. Lenis is a free open source smooth scroll solution for the web. So it's made by Document Engineering, and you can read documentation over here. It's free. You can sponsor them though, and if you come over here to this like scripts, no, not scripts. No, it is. You go to the README, Yeah, this is it in the readme. Yeah, in the readme, just like copy the script and copy this. Basically, these two things are going to work. The script, add this in your before the end of your body section in your website. So yeah, this you get the idea. You just get the gist. I'm just trying to like explain what I've done so far. Now I think it's a good idea to go to Figma. So this is the Figma. So this is the portfolio I designed. Like I took inspiration from multiple websites. Like this is Inga designer at Raycast, some other designers. Honestly, I just took my inspiration, and just unique sheets. There's another guy, I like his work. There's another person. Yeah, overall, I think the person you might think I took inspiration from the most for this section, for the footer section, and the man, I don't know again, but yeah, I just made my portfolio websites, and yeah, you see it. So it's in a way like it's like an artist. You take on multiple inspirations and you now bring it into yours. If I made it by myself, of course I'll go for something simple and all. So this is like an evasion of like. It's simple. My website is simple right now. It's simple and minimalistic, but also like I look for taste, putting my work, like showcasing my skills where possible and everything. In terms of like the development of the websites, like it's not a simple layout to replicate. Like you see this over here, and you see this on smaller screens. Like it's not a simple website to replicate. That's the reason why I'm proud about the website, but also it's just want to say like I didn't come up with everything myself. People can be like, oh, you copied somebody. I obviously everybody copies, but like I don't copy once from somebody. I copy like from different things from different people and combine it into mine. If I want to list out everybody I took inspiration from, it's going to sound weird, I guess. So yeah. Anyways, we can go into that on that topic another day. But yeah, I'm just making a video because I want to make videos. I've missed making videos, so this is an effort to make videos. Hope you're liking what you're watching so far. I'll make tutorials in the coming weeks. Let me know what you want to see tutorials about. And yeah, if you want this tutorial, if you want this website Figma template to make as your own, then build it. I can leave it in the description below. Maybe for $1 or $5. I don't know. I'm thinking I want to make my templates paid now, not more free stuff. Sounds weird to say, but I'm looking for money, so I'm trying to make money from providing value if possible. Don't hate me. Anyways, moving on. If I'm gonna make it a template, I'll make it cleaner and stuff. But for now, this is this, and yeah, that's basically it. I don't know. Would you like to see? Would you like to see the Webflow? You can like look at it on Webflow, I guess. I don't know if you. So in Webflow, this is my website. So on the website, you can see like. So this basically is on Webflow, and this it's some things. Most of the things I use custom code a lot. So like I use custom code. I hid some of the custom code I used. So like it's over here as well. For uploading video, I use Flow Drive. It's a solution my friend made. If you know Manuel Ogomigo, we had a podcast a while back. Yeah, he built a tool to help you like upload stuff on Webflow and so much more. So I'm using that software. I'm using the free version, but there's a paid version as well, so you can check it out. And it's like my works and stuff. Testimonial. Honestly, basically everything I see on Figma I bring it to Webflow, but then I make it responsive and so much more. I don't know what exactly I can teach. Yeah, I think for the menu navbar, that's the one that took me a while. I've been experimenting with menus a while now. So if you check this Blitz project, this one is one I push myself to. I push my boundaries a lot in this project, and if you notice, like it's really a neat website. It's beautiful and so much more. Like testimonial is even like, bro, this is sick, man. And there's a game over here as well, TikTok game. So yeah, I took inspiration. Let's make it tablets, and that's when it works. Okay, it's mobile then. Why is it looking like this? So basically, you can see this, and it goes away, and it comes back. Basically, the same framework I applied for this is what I use for my own website as well. And if you want to watch a video, about this navbar stuff with GSAB, Timothy Riggs has a video about it. Timothy Riggs, let's say Timothy Riggs GSAP flip. Yeah, like GSAP flipping. I've watched it so many times that it's even showing up on my search. So this is the video. That's if you want to watch it and watch in depth how Timothy built his own nav menu with GSAP, you watch it there. I think in the coming future I'm making tutorials with GSAP as well, because I'm learning GSAP, I'm learning React, I'm learning Figma motion, and I want to go into design engineering in the coming. This is like my next career move. I've been a designer, product designer, web designer, web developer, and at the point I'm going to combine my design experience and my development experience into design engineering, and that means I have to learn new skills like React, Figma motion, and the likes. So I'm in that phase of my life where I'm not good yet, but I'm also, it's not like I don't know anything. So I'm in that transition period. I'm able to get a job. That's like one of my big goals right now. Get a job in design, tech, design engineering stuff. But if I don't get a job, I'll keep freelancing. So this is everything I want to say so far. I hope this was interesting to watch. It is a very raw video. I just want to make a video. I hope you liked it. And if I do make a template, check the description below. You'll find the design Figma template to design for yourself. And maybe if you like this design so much, I'll make a Figma template for those who prefer to use Figma, and I'll make it available for you guys. So with all that said, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. I want to make 2 videos a week. I'll try my best, but things about design, tech development, and so much more. Let's get into it. Thanks for watching, and bye.